Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall OBS Studio from your Windows 10 computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. Before we begin, there's one important thing you need to do first. Make sure OBS Studio is completely closed and not running in the background. If it's open, simply close the application before proceeding with the uninstallation. This ensures the process goes smoothly without any conflicts or errors. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start button, also known as the Windows icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar where you can type. In this search bar, type apps and features without quotes. As you type, you'll notice search results starting to appear below. From these results, click on apps and features when you see it. This will open the settings panel where you can manage all installed applications on your computer. Once the apps and features window opens, you'll see a list of all the programs currently installed on your system. This list can be quite long depending on how many applications you have, so you'll need to scroll down through it until you locate OBS Studio. Take your time scrolling through the list, and when you find OBS Studio, click on it once. This will reveal additional options for that specific application. After clicking on OBS Studio, you'll notice an uninstall button appears right below it. Go ahead and click this uninstall button. This action will prompt another confirmation window to appear, asking you to verify that you really want to remove the program. Click uninstall once more to confirm your decision and proceed with the removal process. Next, a user account control window will pop up on your screen. This is a standard Windows security feature that asks for your permission before making changes to your system. Click Yes to proceed and grant the necessary permissions for the uninstallation to continue. Now you'll see the OBS Studio uninstaller window appear. Click the uninstall button within this window to begin the actual removal process. At this point, the system will start removing OBS Studio from your computer. You'll need to wait for a few seconds or possibly a couple of minutes while the uninstallation completes. The time it takes depends on your system's performance and how much data OBS Studio had stored. Just be patient and let the process finish completely. And that's it. You've successfully removed OBS Studio from your Windows 10 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.